Hi, I'm Dr. Sanjay Panicker. I founded Amrita Homeopathy in 1997 in a small town in Kerala. Now we are placed at Bangalore, at Koramangala and at Marathalli. My clinic is named as Amrita Homeopathy and we specialize in hair and skin problems, respiratory problems, pediatrics, allergies, infertility, varicocele and hepatitis B. So when there is diabetes, we know that the sugar being high can damage tissues in our body. Likewise, in the blood vessels also there is damage which happens because of the sugar being elevated. When the blood vessel inside of the blood vessel is damaged, that can cause hardening of the blood vessels. Like suppose you have injury and heats, it hardens in that particular area. Likewise, inside the blood vessel also the hardening may happen. This is called as atherosclerosis. When there is hardening of the blood vessel, it's like a pipe from which water is passing. Like water is the blood which passes through the blood vessel and the blood vessel is a pipe. When it becomes harder and narrower, the pressure inside the pipe increases. Same way, when the blood vessel becomes harder and narrower, the pressure inside increases. So automatically the blood pressure also starts going up. So what are the tips to maintain good health? First and foremost, very important, sleep well. Try to sleep before 12. Don't go beyond 12. With the present lifestyle, most people sleep at 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock. That shouldn't happen. Try to sleep before 12 and see to it that, because your liver detoxifies the body between 11 to 4. So your sleep should be there during that time. And again, very important for you is to have food on time. If you keep skipping your food, then you become prone to various illness. Obesity comes up. Obesity is there, then automatically diabetes may come. Diabetes comes, then automatically hypertension comes. If hypertension comes, then cardiac problems may come. So it's important to see that you eat on time, you exercise regularly, sleep on time, have high proteins in your food, and don't eat junk kind of food. Eat only homemade food and try not to eat the synthetic and processed kind of food. These are some things that you must take care. Drink water regularly. At least 2 to 3 liters of water is important. Have more vegetables and fruits in your diet and reduce on red meats. Red meat contains arachidonic acid which can trigger various health problems. Whereas vegetarian food, it's always good for your health. So you can go for cooked or boiled vegetables. You can have raw fruits. This is also very good for your health. So this is something. Reduce on tea, coffee, alcohol, smoking. These are not things which will help your health. These all damage your health. So take care of these factors also.